Expert advice on how to make money online. Making cash online is something a lot of people dream about. They are often tired of the traffic and daily commute. They wish to remain comfortably at home making money. This can be done. Read ahead for tips and tricks to get you started. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well, and respects you. Never spend money to make money. A legit company won't ask for startup money. Such firms will probably just rip you off. Try not to get tangled with these companies. Create honest reviews of some of the new software that is out on the market today. Software Judge is a site that will pay you to try out this new software and create a review of how good or bad you think it is. This will skyrocket your earnings if you can do this often. If you have a blog or website ready to go, think about selling advertising space on it. You will earn money each time one of your visitors stops what they are doing and clicks on the ad. The best way to be successful and earn money with pay-per-click advertising is to have a good website that offers valuable information. This will increase your traffic flow as well as the number of clicks you are getting. Google Adsense is one program that can get you started. Check out online forums dedicated to helping you find legitimate online work opportunities. There are many geared towards niches which you can find people just like you on, such as work-at-home mom forums. Once you join the community, you'll be geared towards making lots of money online. When it comes to online income, hard work is what you should expect. There are many tips in this video that can help you. Beginning can be a challenge, but with some diligence, you can succeed. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.